Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve these bomb French gloss nails, keep watching this video. Also, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. First off, I'm going to do some housekeeping on my nails. This step is optional, but I'm just going to file down all of my nails so they're even. Next, I'm going to take my cuticle cutter and remove the proximal nail fold, which is the white line that runs around the perimeter of your nail. Doing this step makes your nails look neater. Please take your time when doing this step because the cutter is quite sharp and there's no need to rush. Now that I've removed my proximal nail fold, I'm going to soak my nails in a bowl of warm water for a couple of minutes until my cuticles are soft.
A few moments later.
Now this is the most important step and I would advise you not to skip out on it, which is getting a cuticle pusher and pushing your cuticles back. Pushing your cuticles back will give an illusion of a longer nail bed and that salon nail look once you place your fake nails onto your natural nails. Next, you want to gently buff out your natural nails to create a rough surface. This rough surface will give the fake nail something to attach itself onto, as well as make them last longer. My press-on nails usually last me about 2 weeks plus. Now that all my nails are buffed out, the nails I'm going to be using is Primark's French gloss nails, which I got for £2. I love Primark's nails because they're very affordable and come pre-designed and shaped. In the pack, it comes with instructions, 24 nails in different sizes, and some adhesive glue. I'm going to be using Kiss adhesive glue, just because I find it more stronger than the glue that comes in the pack. Plus I like the brush applicator it comes with. What you need to do next is to match the fake nails to your natural nails. Sometimes the fake nails can match your natural nails almost perfectly, but may be slightly big. In the case of the fake nail being slightly big, simply file down the edge of the fake nail from the back, not the front, as you do not want to ruin the design, which you will see me doing in this video. Now that I have all of my correct nail sizes laid out, I'm going to take my Kiss nail glue and brush it onto my natural nail. Then I'm going to take my fake nail and place it as close as possible to my cuticle, making sure everything is centered. Then I'm going to press down firmly on the nail to get any air bubbles out. You want to repeat this step for every nail. Now that the fake nails have been applied to my natural nails, I'm just going to take my nail buffer and buff out any excess plastic that is on top of the nails so they can look even. Next, I'm going to take my cuticle oil and place it around my nails for needed moisture. And voila, there you have it, salon looking nails without having to break the bank. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.